of socks. But you know what? We are prepared to match them up and practice our fine motor skills by rolling them into balls. High five?
Hi.
This is going to be fun. So if you ever make a mess, that's okay. You just have to clean it up. So Evelyn, can you find some matching socks? It's also a good game. Yeah, it's a good game of matching. And you put the two tops together like this. Ooh, Evelyn's an expert at this. You take one hole and you start to roll and push it inside the other so you've got a little ball.
Like that.
That's right. Ooh, I found some too dark blue with yellow on them. So match together the two little holes at the top, matching holes, and choose one of them to go inside the other one. It's great for your coordination, right? There, I've got two little matching socks. How are you doing, Evelyn? Make sure you match up the two holes like this. Do you want to do this pair?
Okay.
She's got two holes, and I'll do the donuts. Ooh, donut socks. There we go. It's a great way to keep your environment clean. Kids love organizing and helping. Okay, Evelyn, can you find the match for that one? That's a Halloween sock.
Halloween.
Ooh, and I've got
For
a witch.
Halloween.
Yeah.
For Halloween.
Good. And then when you're done, you have a bunch of little ball socks all ready to go in a drawer or a basket. Wherever you keep.
Or you can play it as a ball.
You could play as a ball. Yes, Evelyn.